What's up, everyone? We are back at it, and what a day it's been in the cryptocurrency world. We saw Bitcoin finally pushing to these all-time high levels we've been talking about for weeks, for months now. Bitcoin sitting right around $118,000. Good old Ethereum, very, very close to that $3,000 mark, and I really believe once we close over that $3,000 mark, things could get pretty wild in the world of alts. In addition, Solana right around $163. These major cryptos look very strong, and for good reason. Take a look at these ETF inflows. Bitcoin yesterday alone, July the 10th, had 1.18 billion with a B positive inflows. Over the past couple weeks, we've seen nothing but a sea of green. One day of red, but everything else is green. Jumping over and looking at Ethereum, they're just as impressive. Yesterday alone, $383 million in ETF Ethereum inflows, and for good reason. We're starting to see a lot of corporate treasuries, like we said in past market updates, add Ethereum as a treasury asset. When you see these massive price movements, of course, there's people that's longing the asset. They're shorting the asset. And this has been the biggest Bitcoin short liquidation event we've seen in 4 years. Multi-year short liquidations. Absolutely crazy stuff to see this on the board right now. And when we're talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana, we of course have to talk about the good old meme coins. And take a look. This entire chart for the week is up double-digit greens, a sea of green right now, and some of our favorites out there, the Pepes, the Bonks, the SPX 6900. Of course, Pudgy Penguins, the Pangu token, up 48% on the week. Absolutely huge moves in some of the worlds of memes. And this goes with saying, when we see big moves in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, of course, meme coins can move positively in that same direction, but even at higher percentages. Now, don't forget, whenever we see pullbacks, some of these meme coins will pull back at these enormous higher percentages as well. But you absolutely don't want to be on the wrong side of this trade if you don't have to be. We talked about in our last market update about the big news around Pump.Fun, and it's going to be an exciting day, guys. That's only tomorrow. That is July the 12th. And Pump.Fun made an announcement, not just about their event coming up here with the ICO, but Pump.Fun makes its first acquisition. Purchases Solana-based copy trading wallet tracker Kolscan. This is going to be a great improvement for Pump.Fun. They're starting to put their money to good use, and this is going to cause, I believe, a lot more attention, positive attention, over to their TGE event. Although the Pump token has not been released yet, you can find some pre-market perp contracts, and they've gained some tractions. Pump trading right now is at 6 billion FDV. Pre-market, the market likes what it's seeing right now. It likes the acquisition. It's getting bullish on this upcoming token release. There's been some rumblings over the past few days that we're going to get an announcement from the United States in terms of crypto, and the U.S. House Committee on Financial Services says next week the House is going to deliver on President Trump's call to make the U.S. crypto capital of the world. Of course, we're all going to be very anxious and very excited to see what that is. Could a Bitcoin reserve be announced here? And last but not least, you know, on this channel, we are big fans of Pangu, the Pudgy Penguins NFT. And we're not the only ones, Coinbase as well. Logging in today, I saw Coinbase made the Pudgy Penguins their PFP. They're having some massive trading volume over there on Pangu. So for good reason, Coinbase is going down the Pudgy Penguin NFT route, and I absolutely love to see it. If you want to learn more about macro crypto, meme coins, NFTs, all things Web3 related, we have a private community. We do daily market updates. We have a newsletter. Check out the link down below. We'd love to see you there.